It's nice to meet you, Stacy. Yeah, it is, Stacy. Whoa. Whoa. I have to say that this is complicated. You're all so cute. Ah! Anyways, you were saying, why don't we try to get to know you? Okay. Okay. I like to ghost hunt. I like to ghost hunt. I like to bird hunt because I love birds. And since I'm visiting here on Earth, since it's very nice. You know, in case you haven't heard, I'm actually from up there. The birdless kingdom. My parents, sister live up there. The only person in the family who's visiting Earth is me. And the reason why I came here because I have a special mission. A special mission? We're supposed to be an order. Oh. So what's the problem?